The environment that we live in is essential for our survival. But when this environment is contaminated, it affects all its inhabitants, from humans to animals and plants. So to spread awareness on healthy living conditions, the Department of Science and Technology, or DST, Government of India, is observing the Swachhata Pakhwada from 1st May to 15th May. For these 15 days, the DST has been organizing activities on important issues of proper waste management, sanitation, clean water, clean air, amongst many other environmental issues. Science Monitor brings you a report.
Our environment encompasses everything ranging from plants or animals to water bodies or the air that we breathe. Contaminated water bodies, littered public places, and unhygienic living conditions such as sanitation are a birthplace to several diseases and unhealthy practices. These can be a source of various diseases such as malaria, chikungunya, and dengue. So it is essential that we preserve and maintain a healthy environment. Towards this, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 2nd October 2014 launched the Swachh Bharat Mission on the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi to achieve the universal sanitation coverage goal with access to safe sanitation to all. To propel this further, Swachhata Pakhwada was started in April 2016 with an objective to focus on the issues of practices of cleanliness and sanitation by engaging central nationwide cleanliness awareness through ministries to sensitize and ensure good health and hygiene among the general public. All the ministries observing Swachhata Pakhwada are monitored closely using online monitoring system Swachhata Samiksha, where action plans, images, videos related to Swachhata Pakhwada are uploaded and shared. The Department of Science and Technology, or DST, under the Government of India, recently celebrated its Foundation Day on 3rd of May. On this occasion, Swachhata Pakhwada was specially observed from 1st May to 15th May 2018. The ministry plays an important role as it not only scientifically explains the urgent need for an event like this, but has actively funded projects to develop technologies to solve the problems faced by the citizens.
स्वच्छता पखवाड़ा में हमने इस बार डीएसटी स्वच्छ भारत के लिए क्या कर रहा है वो शोकेस करने की सोची, और ये लेक्चर सीरीज़ और जो एग्ज़िबिशन जिसका अभी जिक्र हुआ है जो बाहर लगी है आपको लेके जाएंगे। उसमें हम लोग अपनी बना सकते हैं, कितना सस्टेनेबल बना सकते हैं, स्वच्छ बना सकते हैं, और स्वच्छता और स्वास्थ्य दोनों का तो कितना अभिन्न रिलेशनशिप है वो आप भी समझते हैं।
During the 15-day observation of Swachhata Pakhwada by DST, several activities based on cleanliness awareness, good health and hygiene among the general public were organized, ranging from panel discussion, expert talks to exhibitions. In a panel discussion organized by DST, scientists and researchers from various science institutes discussed how science and technology can help in proper disposal of different kinds of wastes. Here, research presentations were made which focused on waste management along with the proposed technological solutions that can be developed and the success of the existing technologies such as direct recycling of polystyrene based on waste objects, safe disposal of hospital waste, reuse of e-waste, among many others. DST has been funding various research projects under the Swachh Bharat Mission like waste management technologies for e-waste, industrial hazardous and non-hazardous waste, biomedical waste and plastic waste. A special lecture series is also being organized focusing on discussion of air quality, its management and related issues. In addition, a 3-day exhibition was held from 7th May to 10th May at the Technology Bhavan to showcase technologies on energy and waste management such as Surya Jyoti, a micro-solar lightning dome device based on active and passive solar technique. Another exhibit showcased was Jal Kalp water filter, which is beneficial for removing biological impurities from water such as bacteria, protozoa, etc. The Swachhata Pakhwada will be observed by DST till 15th May and will include students showcasing their innovation on Swachhata. It will also mark the inauguration of the compost organic manure pit in DST.
25 young innovators have been chosen by the Department of Science and Technology in association